everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in my college bag, school bag, whatever you want to call it, for 2018. I've done one of these I think for the past 2 years now, and you guys absolutely love watching these and I really enjoy watching them too because I'm nosy. So today I thought I would show you what I am going to be keeping in my bag. I will link down below the past 2 videos if you want to see my one for year 10 and for year 11 if you're going into either of those years and you're interested. But I'm going into year 12 this year. I'm going to college, so my bag is slightly different. For me it's actually a lot emptier, which is surprising. So yeah, today I thought I would just show you what's in there and what bag I went for basically. Also, I would usually probably have some form of lunch in my bag and also a water bottle, but as I'm not going to college today, they're not in here, and you know, I just thought, yeah, I use a normal plastic water bottle and just take something to eat every day, but that's what I usually have in my bag as well, some food and water to be honest. But like right now I don't have that. Okay, so for the past 2 years I've had kind of like a handbag style bag. They've all been black, but this year I thought, you know what, I'm gonna have a backpack, as my bag last year was so heavy that it really damaged my shoulder basically. So I thought this year I can have a backpack and distribute the weight, and also it's just simpler, isn't it, sometimes to have a backpack. So this is from Unidays. This was £20 and then I got 10% off with my Unidays, so I will link down below Unidays if you would like to get discounts too. But it's just got this nice silver kind of ring here and then drawstring, and it is all in one compartment, so it doesn't have like a zip anywhere else, so it is really easy to find everything. I would have liked a little zip, but at the same time I just wanted a bag that had loads and loads of space because I needed it to fit in like paper, ring binders and stuff like that, and this bag does. So if you are looking for a bag that fits in your ring binder, this is the bag for you. So inside I'll just undo the drawstring and then I have a load of stuff. There is so much space as it does expand quite wide, which I really like, and obviously throughout the year things may be added into the bag, things may be taken out. I don't have any textbooks in here right now as I don't know if I need them or not. So yeah, that's why it probably will be a little bit fuller throughout the year, not gonna lie, but this is what I've got in here right now. So I'm just going to dive in and pull random things out. So the first thing I have is just a pencil case. I probably will find a nicer pencil case, but to be honest with you, a clear one's fine for me right now because I've used one like this for the past 2 years. But this is just a clear pencil case. It's got my highlighters, pens, pencils, a rubber, ruler, because yeah, I don't need all the maths equipment anymore as I'm not taking maths anymore, so it's a little bit emptier than it probably was last year. I may put some nice coloured pens in for my notes, but to be honest with you, even at GCSE I didn't make my notes in my schoolwork look pretty. So yeah, this is what we're going with. I've got some Stila highlighters, Bic pens, Staedtler pencils and rulers and stuff like that, and to be honest I didn't have to purchase too many things this year as I had so many left over from last year. But that's kind of just my pencil case for you. And then the next thing I have in my bag is just my purse, wallet, whatever you want to call it. This just has like my money in here. It'll probably have like bus pass, train pass, whatever I need in here. Has money basically. It's a wallet, so yeah, I just think this is really handy to carry around if I want to buy food at lunch, anything like that, then I'll just take this with me every day. The next thing I have in my bag is an essential obviously, and that is my phone. I can't go anywhere without this. Obviously I need to contact people, and yeah, this is an iPhone 8 if you were wondering. I have recently done a what's on my iPhone, so I'll leave that for you down below if you are interested. But this is just my phone, and then obviously I'll just take some headphones with to listen to music, anything like that. These are the ones that do come with the phone, so they can actually fit in the bottom because there's no headphone jack. But yeah, that's obviously an essential for me. I've been so used to having that in my blazer, and now it's going to be in my bag instead because I don't wear a blazer anymore. And then sticking with technology, I also have my iPad. This is the iPad 2018 edition. I recently purchased this about a month or 2 ago now, and yeah, this is just a white, you know, 2018 brand new iPad. And then my case is from Amazon. It's kind of just like this marble effect. It's by the brand ESR. If you're wondering, these are such good cases. I think I had one for my old iPad and now I've got one for this one. It's a really nice marble effect. I really like these, and I thought, you know, to take my iPad every day, so much lighter than carrying around a laptop. And then I'll also just have my attachable keyboard that's in my brother's room right now because he was using it, but I'll probably take that most days if I need to, and then it turns into kind of like a mini laptop, which I really, really like. So that's kind of why I just take an iPad. Research, if I need an online textbook, anything like that, the iPad's there for it. And then we move on to the more slightly boring last few things. So I just have this little bag. As like I said, there are no zip pockets anywhere, so I've just got this bag in here. So this is just going to have all my essentials, and there's a hair on it, but in here I just have my keys and hairband. So yeah, I just have my keys. I got this turtle when I was in Kefalonia, and I just thought it's the best thing to always find them, as you know, otherwise they get lost. So I just have my keys in there. I have a hairband, like I said, because my hair is always up, so spares are always an essential. And then I just have like a body spray, lip balm, and other little things in there. I'll probably put in, I don't know, random other things that I find that probably don't want to get lost in my bag. So yeah, this bag is from H&M. I've had this for like 2-3 years now, but it's just perfect just to put anything in. It was really cheap as well to buy. So if you have got a bag like mine that doesn't really have anywhere else to store your stuff, then just get something like this. It's perfect, really, really useful. And the last two things I have are kind of boring, but an essential. So I just have this big pucker pad notepad. If you saw my back to school haul, you would have seen this. But yeah, this has just got 200 pages in, and I'll just take one of these each day, because to carry around 3 notepads would be way too heavy. So yeah, I really like it because it's pre-hole punched and things like that. And then I'll just tear the page down, put it in my folder. But yeah, I just thought this is an essential, as obviously most places don't provide you anymore with books to use. So I'll probably just pop that in there every day. And then I also just have a ring binder. I've just put one in my bag to show you, to be honest, because I have a couple left over from GCSEs. So this is just a blue ring binder from Wilko's. And then inside I've just got this kind of like A4 folder from Tesco's, which is hole punched, so it can go in a folder. And here I'll just put sheets that can't be hole punched in, basically, which I think is really useful. And I might put some dividers in here, obviously, to separate out the 3 subjects. So that is everything that's in my bag. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave it a massive thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, as for some reason there seems to be loads of you who have subscribed, then welcome. But if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. At the current time I'm filming this, we're like 10 away from 27,000, which is crazy. And I will see you all in my next back to school video. Bye! And it went like this, say, oops, not enough, I'm singing my bye-bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, but